Welcome back. Exam secret number 12. No post-mortem, please. No post-mortems. You know what is a post-mortem? Yes. Post-mortem means don't hang around. You know, after the exam, everyone is hanging. How did you answer that question? What did you answer that? You know what you feel? You feel miserable. You think you fail because now you say, oh, I got it wrong. They had it that way. I'm so stupid. I got it. You know what's happening? You're stressing yourself out. You know why? Because the next day you got another exam. Or in a week's time you got another exam. If you're going to have post-mortem, if you're going to sit there and talk to everyone, how was the paper? It's the biggest mistake you can do. After your exam, as what I said in the previous lesson, in the examination hall, it's you, your paper, and God. When you finish with your exams, it's you, your paper, and God. You pack up your things. You don't listen to anyone. You put on your earphones and you go home. Don't talk to people. Don't listen to other people. That's going to give you stress. You know what's happened to stress? When you go home, you won't be able to concentrate. You'll be worrying about the previous paper what you wrote this morning. When you come home, you're worrying. You're stressing. What's going to happen? You can't now study for the next exam. So please, no post-mortems. Don't talk to nobody. If someone is telling, how did you do it? Just say, please, I'm rushing. I've got to get home. I'm rushing. Please, I'll talk to you after the exams. Finish. Concentrate on the next exam. The exam is gone. It's finished. Don't do a post-mortem. It's dead. It's gone. There's nothing you can do about it. Once you put the exam in, it's finished. You can't change the results. So don't think about it anymore. But you can't change what has happened. It's a post-mortem. If the patient is dead, you can't change it. That exam is gone. You not only change the marks. But the next exam, you can determine how well you're going to do in the next exam. The next exam is still fresh. But why are you contaminating the next exam by worrying about the stress of what happened today? Please, it's technique, please. So have a good meal. When you come back from the exam, have a good meal. Rest for about 30 minutes. You must give your mind a mental break. Watch TV, watch your phone, catch up with all your phone calls. Watch TV, go for exercise. For that 30 minutes, you reward yourself. Whatever you want to do in the 30 minutes, you want to eat junk food, you want to exercise, watch TV, whatever you want to do for the 30 minutes, you do it. But then you get cracking again. Because you couldn't do anything for the exam that went by. But the next exam, you can do something about it. Stay well, look after yourself. It's all about technique. Be smart. That's how you get you through your exams, okay?